Welcome to the Focus Android YouTube channel. In this video is about how to add website shortcut to the home screen of Android phone. The first step, of course, we need to open the browser. Here I will use Google Chrome because this is the most popular browser in Android. Now you need go to the website which will be added to the home screen. Then tap on the top right corner. Here you will see the option Add to Home Screen. Tap on it. Next, you can edit the name of website and press Install. Here you have to wait until the installation process is complete. Now the shortcut has appeared in my apps menu. I'm going to press and hold, then press Add to Home. And finally, I successfully add the website shortcut to my home screen. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.